Okay, bike check. Primo bars, Primo rebars, 28.5 wide, 9 rise, Merit grips, Merit bar ends, Odyssey R25 forks, G Sport hub guard, Shadow Raptor front hub, really dirty, I don't care. Okay, demolition peg, random peg, BSD Donut Squeak tires in gray, 2.4, super squeaky. Now my hoops are Odyssey 7KA and demolition, I don't know what, I just got it. And okay, so my cranks are Primo hollow bites, 180 millimeter right there. Okay, you can't see it, but 180 millimeters. Animal sprocket, my bike's moving. Odyssey JCPC pedals, shin killers. See? Okay, anyway, look. Okay, my chain is a Shadow chain. Demolition rotator free coaster, super loud. See? Okay, anyway, put it down. G Sport peg, and I usually run 4 pegs, but G Sport pegs break a lot, so yeah. Okay, so I got a Sabrosa seat, United seat post. What else am I missing?
Drop test.
There's no drop test. What the hell? It's not a scooter. Hold on. Yeah, that's it. That's my bike check. Actually, no. I have a Fit high-rise stem and an Odyssey headset. And oh my god, the frame. Fit Wi-Fi 20.5 trans red. Yee. So yeah, it's my bike check.